Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here. Welcome to today's episode. What I'd like to do, accomplish this video, is take the cord from this Series 1105 American lock, which happens to be an Abus core, and I want to put it into the Abus disc lock that you see in front of you. As you can see, there are a ton of different variations of these disc locks, and they're primarily used for storage facilities and things like that, where the only thing that's facing your would-be assailant is this part of the lock. So there's really nothing else available for them to cut or anything like that. So they're made very well for their applications. You can see they come in very varying sizes. This one happens to be a 2460. Two in the middle are 2470s. This one's a 2470 RK, and this one's a 2490. Now the main difference between the number 24 we have right here and the 2490 that we have here, obviously besides their size variation, is this thing is packed with these steel plates on the inside of it, which makes this very, very strong. I mean, you could use this as a discus. This is an old Abus 24. It's got your Lock-On Germany, Lock Co. Germany, made in Germany, and so is this one here. But if they look a little different, that's because they are. The one on the right can be rekeyed, and the one on the left. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. We're going to take the key. We're going to stick it in here. Well, that's new. Anyway, I don't know what just happened. So they give you a key for this, but I don't have it when I purchased it. So what I'm going to use is this little prod device that I got from, where did I get this? I don't remember where I got it. But I'm going to push, there's a little lever that you have to push straight down this shackle. So you take it, and you see where I'm pushing it so it's flat against the left side here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to stick it all the way down. So if you can see the placement of it all the way down. And what that does is it pushes a lever in, and it enables me to pull the core out. And you can see it inside here. We don't want to leave it in there for too long. But watch what happens when I push that in here on the side. You see how that goes down? That's what we're looking for. That's what releases this. There are videos out there of, I don't know, Lockpicking Lawyer and I think Bosnian Bill both did one, where what they did was they put a blowtorch to it and just melted the zinc off of it, and it just dropped open. But we're not going to do that. We don't need to do that. You've seen it done. You know. So anyway, here is the core itself. So this core has actually been modified. Do you see how this is cut here? It's actually been modified to fit in there. So we're going to open this. This one's actually been modified as well. This is a challenge lock I got off of eBay. That's also been modified. So what we're going to do is take this, we're going to stick it right back in there. Take our little probe device right down the shaft. And Okay, I see what I did there. Alright, just have to use a different key. There we go. So I had the wrong key, no problem. Alright, here we go. Mistakes were made. That's alright. Push this back in there. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn this. There we go. Now that we pull that out, we'll be able to lock it, and that's it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We now have a Rekey Abus disc lock here. I hope you got something out of it. I know sometimes these things can be confusing and challenging, but if you practice enough and try, and hopefully this benefits you in some way. Guys, thank you so much for your time here. I hope you enjoyed this. If you leave me a comment in the comment section below, tell me what you think about this. Would you buy an Abus lock that can be rekeyed, or would you just get a different one and just spend a couple of dollars and replace it completely? Guys, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.